Well, we did another one. This time we did a Slim. This Slim has a HDMI to PSP cable. We have our FBMC and we have an MX ISO with a 128 gig SD card. Let's check this build out and see what we've done. Very simple. We're going to launch OpenPL. Launch it. All right, when it loads up, these are the games we put on it. We have a 128 gig SD card. If you notice, we're running off an SD off this PS2 Slim. We have our PS2 controller. This is an authentic DualShock in great shape. These are the games we went with. It's a much smaller list as it's a smaller SD, but the cool thing about this is if you wanted to, you could put a USB in, or you can also buy multiple SD cards with different games if that's your desire. But this 128 gig SD does fit a good amount of games. I think I did a good job of picking, kind of handpicked the games. Basically my favorites. And this is what we came up with. I know I probably missed some games as, like I said, we're very limited on space here, but I definitely put kind of the best of the best. And one game I kind of forgot was the Warriors, but I just didn't have enough space for it. Like I said, you probably can delete some games to make space, but this is the current image. And it's very easy. Let's say you want to play this game. Just go and hit X, and it will load the game for you. Let me show you guys a little bit difference in the SD. The SD card's still pretty fast. It's a little bit slower than the hard drive, but definitely much faster than USB. And it's going to cut in and out. You'll see it. The games take anywhere from like 10 to like 15 seconds to load. Not too bad. There you go. And you can play the game. And the great thing about this is you actually can save to the memory card to 64 memory, 64, or you create a virtual save. I don't recommend a virtual save though. They corrupt. I just saved to this and you should be fine. And again, we're playing on a PSP Slim. As you see, mod it. And again, in exit, it's a claw drip. It's start, select, both buttons, so you press everything at the same time. And then when you're greeted in this screen, it's the exact same. You hit back, and this will load you into the FBMC menu. And then when you want to play another game, you just launch OpenPL. And again, these cards are all updated to the latest version. I always update my cards, so it's the latest version. It's the most stable version. It will automatically boot up and detect the games. As you see, give you guys some live action. Boom. It's very simple. And then you can play whatever game you want off the card. Good to go. Also, one thing to note when you're done, I recommend pressing start. And these are the settings. If you guys care, this is the settings I use. Make sure that the settings are the same and you'll be good to go. But then when you're done playing, I would recommend going here where it says power off. Go ahead and hit X on the controller. Your system will power off X. And that is the proper way to shut down your PlayStation so you won't have any issues.